Hello everyone and welcome to the course Mobile Application Development. I am Mrs. Didi Pawar, lecturer, Information Technology Department, Kekewak Polytechnic, Nashik. And today I am going to introduce you all to the basic concepts of Android. So let's start with the concepts that we are going to cover in this lecture. These are the contents in which we are going to see introduction to Android, then the foundation of Android, open handset alliance, and features of Android which makes it popular. So let's start with our tutorial. Firstly, what is actually Android? Android is basically a mobile operating system based on modified version of Linux kernel. It provides rich application framework that allows us to build innovative applications and games for mobile devices in Java language environment. It is basically a software stack for mobile operating system and it is under development by Google and Open Handset Alliance. The Android platform was basically developed or founded by three people, Andy Rubin, Rich Miner, and Nick Sears in 2003. After that, in August 2005, the Google company acquired this Android and took it under its guidance. After that, the Open Handset Alliance was formed, and now Google and Open Handset Alliance decides everything about the Android operating system. The first version of Android beta was released in 12th November 2007. So let's see what is actually this Open Handset Alliance is. The Open Handset Alliance is a business alliance that was created for the purpose of developing open mobile device standards. It is having a consortium of 84 firms to develop open standards for mobile devices. It was established on 5th November 2007 and led by Google with 34 members, which includes mobile handset makers, application developers, some mobile carriers, chip makers, semiconductor makers, and so on. It includes variety of companies like Google, HCL, Sony, HTC, etc. And these companies form this Open Handset Alliance and their main product is Android platform. Here you can see some popular companies which are involved in this Open Handset Alliance. So let's move forward. Now the important part of this tutorial is the features of Android. What actually makes the Android operating system or Android platform famous in between all the other platforms in mobile operating systems? The first feature of Android is storage. It provides large storage capacity with either internal memory or external memory, and you can add external memory as easy as possible. Then it provides better and good connectivity with other devices in for networking or any other purpose. It provides good messaging services. Then it is having its own web browser. It provides media support like audio, video, images, any other media can be supported easily on any Android mobile system. You can easily download anything from internet and directly use on the Android mobile. Then it has better hardware support as compared to other companies. It provides multi-touch feature, as you all are very much aware of this multi-touch operation if you are using any kind of smartphone. Then it provides multitasking. That means we can perform multiple tasks at the same time using your Android mobile system. It also has flash support for using the mobile flash as the battery in case of emergency. And the important, or we can say the famous feature of Android platform is the capacity of tethering. Basically, what is tethering? Whenever you want to share the internet of any other mobile device, then you can use this tethering feature of Android, in which you just have to on the tethering of that particular mobile, and then you can connect to that particular Wi-Fi service from that mobile, and you can usually use the internet from other mobile device. So these are the features of Android operating system which makes this Android operating system a very famous operating system among all the other operating systems that are working on mobile. As it is very user friendly, it is very easy to understand, anyone can use and operate the Android mobile system very easily. There is no need to learn any specific thing before handling the Android mobile devices. So these are all the features of Android operating system. So to sum up, in this tutorial we have introduced Android in a short version, in which we have seen what is actually Android operating system, who founded or developed this platform, what is actually Open Handset Alliance, and then all the features of Android operating system which makes it popular. So thank you for watching this video, and we will meet in next tutorial. Till then, goodbye.